Hey guys! Okay, today is going to be a collective room haul video for you guys. I'm so excited for you guys to see what I've gotten. It's definitely been collective over probably since August, and I finally have some time to film it, and I have enough to film, so yeah. Okay, first up is this beautiful charcoal colored throw blanket I got from HomeGoods. I just love it. I love the color and the pattern on it, and I really love how soft it is. It was only $15, which I think is a great deal considering the size of it. I went in there wanting to get a throw blanket to put on my bed for fall, but I also wanted something that I could have on my bed for, any time of the year. It wasn't just fall looking or anything like that. And I just absolutely love it. I'm excited to throw it on my bed now, so there's that. You too. I'm trying to film a video over here. You two are ridiculous. The next thing I got was this burlap jewelry holder. I got it from Joann's, and I just adore this. I have been wanting one for so long, but just kept putting off buying it. Like, I'd forget, or I'll be like, oh, maybe it'll be on sale next week. So finally it was on sale, and I remembered, so I went ahead and picked it up. And I got this burlap one because I just love how it looks. I think it kind of looks nicer than the velvet ones. So that was an added plus. So I'm so excited to start putting my bracelets on it. I will probably pick up a few more because I have a lot of clutter on my dresser that I'd like to organize. Alright, the next thing I got was this teal marquee letter that lights up. I mean, can we talk about how adorable this is? Seriously. I went into Hobby Lobby and there it was, just on one of their shelves. I'd never seen it before, and this is just so me. I love the teal color. It'll go with my room. Plus I love the hot pink accents. And I like that it lights up and in the Aztec pattern. I love it. They added in white with like the same kind of background in the S actually. And then they had it in this teal pattern. And I went ahead and went with the teal one. The white one was a really a pretty one too. It was a close decision. But let me show you what it looks like when it lights up. And then this is what it looks like when it lights up. I just love it. It's so cute. And it's battery operated. It takes like 2 AAAs. So I just can't wait. I'm going to put it like on my shelf, and that'll just be some cute little decor even when it's not lit up. And it was like $12 regularly, but I just went ahead and used my 40% off coupon on it. And I'm sure it will go on sale eventually for 50% off, but I didn't want to risk it not being there later on, so I just went ahead and picked it up. And Livy likes it. Okay, so while we're at it with lights, here is my little owl lamp. I'm just obsessed with this. He is so, so cute. I got him from HomeGoods, and I actually kind of freaked out a little bit when I saw it because they had these last year, and stupid me, just like, I don't know, I didn't pick it up while I was there. I don't know why. I wanted it, but yet I didn't buy it. And then when I came back, they were gone. So they brought them back this year, and they're pretty much like the same ones, and they had all different kinds, so it was so hard to pick which one I wanted. But I picked this little guy, and he's so cute when he lights up, and it just puts like this cute little glow and light pattern on your wall, so it's so cute. I have him on my desk right now, and he looks so cute on it. Okay, and then from Target is this cute little storage bin. If you guys probably have seen my other videos, I have teal ones, and I'd been wanting to pick up some different colors of it, and I saw they had these orange ones, and they were really cute. Plus they had them on sale, I think, because they were like fall looking. So I went ahead and picked one up. I will probably use it for hamster toys in the closet. Otherwise, I will use it in my bedroom for storage for now until maybe after fall is done, and then I'll move it to my closet. I need to pick up some more. I saw they have like a plum colored one and lime green now, and so I might eventually start picking those up because I'm starting to need more again. And then also from Target is this adorable little snowman. I think this is the first Christmas item I have bought officially this year. And it's the little USB lamp, so you can like plug it into your computer and he changes colors. And for the last few years I've wanted it every single year, and I'm always like, oh, they'll put them on sale, so I'll wait. And then when they put them on sale for like, who knows, probably just a couple dollars off, and I go in and they're already gone. So this year I just went ahead and bought it. So now I can't regret it if they sell out. So I did have a really hard choice. They had a cute penguin one too. So, but I went with the snowman because he was so cute. I'm so excited to go open him and put him on my desk and start decorating for Christmas soon. Okay, now on to pillows. I picked up some really cute pillowcases at Hobby Lobby. These first two that I'm going to show you actually I got in August because I was trying to have some cute colorful pillowcases on my bed for summer or just normal time. And so I went ahead and picked up this pink one, and I like its pattern. It's a little noisy, but I kind of like that. And I like that it's hot pink. So I got this one. And then I also got this green one, which is probably actually my favorite out of it. I just really like how bright it is, and when it's on my bed, it just looks really, really pretty along with the pink one. And these were both 50% off, so they were like, I want to say like $4 or something like that a piece, and I think that's a pretty great deal for a pillow. Now granted, it doesn't come with a form, but I already had some forms from old pillows that I don't use anymore that I just had under my bed, so that worked out perfect. I actually do need to pick up a couple more forms, and maybe next time they go on sale, pick up a couple different pillowcases. Okay, then next up is this fox one. Oh my gosh, it's just so adorable. This also is from Hobby Lobby, and it's just a pillowcase, and it's so cute. I went in trying to get some like fall pillows, and I saw an owl one they had online, so that's what I was going in to get, but they didn't have it. But they had this fox one, and I just couldn't resist. It's so cute. Unfortunately, he wasn't on sale. He literally was on sale the day before, and I missed the sale. But I just went ahead and picked him up anyways, just because he was really cute. I do need to get a bigger pillow form for this one because the one that's in it is not quite big enough, but he's still so adorable. Okay, and then next up is one from Target. I like this one so much. I just love how colorful it is. And I will admit, I do not like the price that it was. It was an expensive pillow since it came from a Target, but it was just so, so cute. And even though it's small, I just went ahead and got it anyways. I did actually have a gift card for Target from a survey site, so I actually didn't pay for this at all, so that was a plus. So it made me feel a little better about spending like $18 on a pillow, but it's super, super adorable. Okay, and last up for pillows is this giant fuzzy one. I know you guys really can't see it completely, but it's a pretty big one. And I actually got this from TJ Maxx, and I've been wanting a really white fluffy pillow for my bed for quite some time, and I just never can seem to find the perfect one. And I spotted this one, and I had a feeling it might be a little too big, but I got it anyways, and well enough on my bed. It's just a little too big. It looks out of place. But coincidentally, it worked perfect for my desk, so I actually keep it on my desk chair, and it goes perfect. And this pillow was $17, but I don't think it's too bad considering its size. It really is humongous. I mean, like, it can almost be like a floor pillow. And I just love it on my desk. It's so comfortable behind my back, so there's that. Okay guys, actually since I filmed this video I did some more shopping because I haven't had time to edit it. So I just decided to go ahead and put the rest of the stuff in this video. So it'll be probably pretty long, but you know, it's just a collective haul of more stuff for my room. I'm just going to start off with this really beautiful shade of turquoise pillow. It's actually more like a mint shade of turquoise, I guess. But yeah, I was just at Home Goods the other day, and this was on their clearance aisle, and I just loved it. It's a very big pillow and kind of puffy. So I thought this would be really cute with the theme of my room, so I went ahead and picked that up. Okay, and then I went to Joann's to get some craft stuff, and to my shock they had some adorable pillows for sale, and I just never even thought about looking at, like, I know they have pillows sometimes, but I just didn't even think about it. And they had some pillows for like $15 plus 20% off, which I felt was a pretty good deal, and then these were kind of the pillows I was looking for. So I went ahead and picked up this one, which is white and very, very soft. And then for the second one, I picked up this fluffy snow leopard one, and I just love these. And they're a little firmer and soft at the same time, so that'll be nice for just like some sturdy pillows on the bed, yet being super comfortable and very winter looking. And I will probably just keep these out most of the time because I really love these. Okay, and then next, this is from Target, and this was actually during the Black Friday week. Target, I think in stores and online, had like 40% or 50% off of so many things, including candles. And so I went ahead and picked up a couple candles, and I just love these. I bought these mostly for the packaging. I wasn't too worried about the smell of them because I will like never light them. But I picked up this beautiful like mint shade of this little owl lamp, and then this really pretty casing on this one that's turquoise. I don't know, I just really like the packaging for these. And they're really cute. I mean, they're just, you know, basic little candles. They smell actually pretty good. As I said, I won't light them. I'm just wanting them kind of for the decor of it. But I picked those up at 50% off, so that's great because these are two things I probably would never have bought for full price. Okay, next up are ornaments, and I just love how colorful these are. I probably already have some ornaments in storage, but I wanted to pick up some new ones and a particular set of shades. And I just went ahead and picked up, all of these are from Target. And these ones right here on the right side are some big ones and some mini ones, and all four of those came from the dollar section at Target. So I mean, I don't think you complain at all for getting that many ornaments. And a kitten was in the Target section. But I got all four of these in the dollar section, and I just love how they're different sizes and stuff like that. Like they had one that was almost the same, that was like $3 and had almost the same amount of ornaments in the regular section. So I just felt like for $4 I got a bunch of different ornaments because there's like 16 in each package. So there are those. And then this tree was also from Target, and this one was like a $5. But honestly, I got it mostly for the fact that it's in a tree shape. I don't think I'm going to open and use them. I think I'm just going to have them in that tree because I think it just look really cute on my dresser or something like that. So there are those. Alright, next is back to HomeGoods, and I just picked this up the other day and I'm so excited for it. I really wanted to get a really pretty winter blanket for my bed, and I didn't want to do too Christmassy just because my room's turquoise. I kind of wanted something that went with it but was still that holiday feel. And I just got so lucky when I found this blanket. I went to 3 different HomeGoods trying to find the perfect blanket, and there just really wasn't anything. There was no holiday looking pillows that I like, no blankets. And so on the very last one, I mean, I wasn't going out of my way for these stores. I just happened to be on my errand run. And finally, the last HomeGoods I checked in, I just spotted this and it was behind another blanket. And this was just perfect. It's exactly what I was looking for. It has snowflakes, but yet it's got this turquoise blue color in it. And it's fuzzy on the other side of it, so it's going to be super warm feeling. So I'm very happy. I'm literally going to put this in the washer today so I can fit it on my bed. I'm so excited. Okay, now heading back to Michael's. I got this on Black Friday. I popped in there to get some things and they had this adorable basket, and I went ahead and picked it up. It's just got this like little sweater cable knit like pattern on it, and I thought it'd be cute to just like roll up blankets and keep them in my room. I'm not honestly sure if I'm going to keep it. That is if the kitten doesn't tear the tag off. It was like 50% off or something like that, and then they had another sale on top of it, so it wasn't bad. Look at that, you just chewed a hole in it. Look at that. Please don't. Oh my gosh, don't. No. Okay. Anyways, so it was like a pretty good deal, but still, it was like $25 to begin with, so I think it was still like $8 or something like that. So honestly, I'm not sure if I'll keep it because like it doesn't really stand up that well on its own, and I don't know when I put blankets in it if it'll just even look like what I want it to look like. But there it is. If I do keep it, honestly, I'm not sure yet. I'll probably forget to return it and keep it anyways. Alright, then are these adorable little clothespins. I picked these up from Michael's as well on their Black Friday sale, so I got them super cheap, like $1.50 or something like that. And I'm going to use them for my little photo thing on my wall, so there are those. Okay, and then I got some lights as well on their Black Friday sale at Michael's. I already actually have them up on my bed, and it would be a lot of work to get them down. But they're just a little set of wire lights that are battery operated, so they're super cute, and they have different patterns, which are really adorable on at night. Okay, next up is Walmart, and I picked up a couple different sets of lights as you can see, so I'm just going to do a little run through of them. Okay, first up is this set of 20 colored LED battery operated lights. I just really liked the look of these and how they were kind of had like a little pattern on them. And I'm actually going to be putting these on my little cat's gingerbread house. I think that'll be super cute. Then I got some other set of little wired LED lights as well, pretty much the same as Michael's, but these were from Walmart. And they look a little different. I don't think you guys can really see them, but I'm excited to get them out. I'm going to probably put them in like a vase or something with some ornaments for like a DIY in my room. And then lastly are just some actual regular light sets. I got the set of the 50 multicolored LED lights, and I bought a set last year and they're on clearance, but somebody chewed through them the other day. I wonder who. Cough, cough. But so I had to buy a new string. Of course, you know, these were full price and not 70% off, which sucks. But so yeah, I picked those up. And then I got these little ceramic ones that are very old school looking, and I just love the look of them. I'm going to probably use them for some photo shoots and stuff and some videos, and then hang them up in my room somewhere. Okay, then lastly is Walmart, where I picked up an adorable throw blanket. I just loved how colorful it was, and the pattern on it is super adorable. I'm very excited to put that in my room. As well as just this little green tree. It was only like $1, and I mean, he's pretty sad looking because he's only like $1, but I think it'd still be cute somewhere on my desk or something. Then next, as lame as it is, I went to Dollar Tree for batteries because batteries are extremely expensive and I don't want to pay full price just to put them in all these light sets that I got. So I just went ahead and picked these up for $1 each, and they will do the job. Okay, and then from Kohl's, I got this adorable turquoise snowflaked picture frame. I just thought it was so pretty, and my room is obviously turquoise themed, so it'll just be a perfect little winter addition to it. And also from Kohl's, I'm guilty of doing more Halloween shopping. I know it's not even the Halloween season anymore, but while I was there, they had their Halloween stuff on 90% off, and they had this adorable little witch hat, and it's just a little light marquee. And it actually comes with like different cardboard pieces that you get inserted with. So I got this along with this one, which is a sugar skull one, which I absolutely love sugar skulls, and I love the little flower insert this one has. Super stoked for Halloween now, and both of these were $2.99 each, so I mean, I think that's a fabulous deal, so I'm just gonna add that to my never-ending collection of Halloween stuff. Okay, next up is Bath & Body Works, and I picked up some candles, as you can see. I went a little, I'd say I went overboard, but honestly, I don't think it's too bad. I only got 6. But I look forward to their sale every year. If you don't know, typically somewhere in the first 2 weeks of December, Bath & Body Works will put all their candles on sale for somewhere between $8 to $9 for one day. And this year it was $8.50 where I lived. And I just don't think that's about it all for their candles. I never buy them during the regular part of the year just because like $22 for candles is just something I won't do. Even if they do 2 for $22, I'm too stingy. Honestly, I don't use candles that much right now in my life for it to be worth it. But for $8.50, I think that's a great deal. Plus, I had 10 off of 30, so that worked and brought my total down a whole lot. So yeah, I will just show you the ones I got. I'm gonna start on the top with my very, very favorite, which is Sweet Pea. Like, I'm obsessed with this scent, so I'm very excited to have a candle. I should have picked up more than one in this scent, but oh well. I picked up actually I'll start from this side. I picked up Beautiful Day, which is a more melony smell, and I absolutely love this, as well as I love the shade of it, just like I like the color of the candle, just as much as the scent. Then I picked up Sweet Cinnamon Pumpkin, and I absolutely love the scent of this. It's just so fall smelling, and I know fall is pretty much done now, but I will put it away and use it for next year. And then on the bottom are my Christmas scents. I got 2 'Tis the Seasons, and I did that because I just went ahead and picked up an extra one to exchange, maybe in January when spring scents come out, or if I want to exchange it for a second Sweet Pea, or just something like that. So I just went ahead and picked a second one of that up, and I love the smell of that. It's just so beautiful and cinnamon smelling. I had it burning yesterday, and it just smells so pretty. And then lastly is Fresh Balsam, which literally is 100% smells like a Christmas tree, which is exactly what I wanted. So yeah, those are my little 6 candles. Not very impressive. My mom bought a whole lot more. She went crazy. I think she bought I feel like 20 candles. But that is just my little haul. I don't have a need for a crazy amount of candles. Okay guys, that was it for my room decor haul video. I hope you enjoyed and liked the things I got. As I said before, it's a collective haul. I've been getting these over the last few months. I didn't go out and just get these in like 1 week span of time. And I really like decorating my room. It's probably like my favorite pastime, so sometimes I do enjoy splurging on that. Although I will admit there will probably be a couple collective hauls up on my channel in the next few weeks because I have been shopping a lot. So I will probably have a collective clothing haul up first, and then I did some recent shopping at Goodwill and some other clothing stores that will come up probably after that. But so yeah, anyways guys, thanks for watching. Bye.